Hey legends, it's Pete here from Gold Coast Plumbing Experts. Just out here today, a customer has a gas continuous flow hot water unit. They have no hot water in the house since Saturday. So I've come out, I've pulled this apart, had a look at it. The tank needs to be replaced. It's 15 years old. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull it off the wall, put a new one on, pick up the new tank. Probably going to go with a Thermann because it has a long warranty and we can back the brand. So as you can see, we've installed the Thermann 32R. So what we'll do now is we'll go through the house, we'll clean out all the filters, check all the hot taps, make sure everything's running. We'll quickly glance over flexi hoses and anything else that may be missed. And the house is over 15 years old, so what we'll do is we'll just make sure all the plumbing's up to scratch and they're not going to have any issues on a weekend or in the future. So if you have any issues with your hot water and you have a gas unit, give us a call and we're more than happy to come help out. See you on the next one.
Gold Coast Plumbing Experts on 1300 600 632.